To my YouTube channel. Like I said in my previous video, we are going to be explaining data types and um, some complex um, types in Cairo using the Starklings challenge. Sorry, Starklings challenge. I feel is the best way to make it interactive and fun, not just like boring, right? So let's just get started. So what you need to do is just to go to Starklings app, search for starklings.app. Just click, just type starklings.app, and it will take you right here. So then the next thing you need to do is to connect your GitHub, right? Authorize, and this is connecting. Then we can start coding. Yes, so we're going to be going through intro 1 and 2, and in the subsequent videos we are going to go through variables, another video, primitive types, operations, and so on till we finish the challenges. Yes. So the intro says, "Welcome to Starklings Cairo V1. This exercise doesn't do anything yet, but it still compiles. Cairo file getting run. Needs to have Cairo file getting run needs to have a main function. If you watched my previous video, you should already have an idea of the first entry point, main entry point of a Cairo program, which is the main function. So this file is a valid Cairo file. Other exercises will require you to write Cairo code to make the exercise file compile. I mean, this is the first one just to make things very easy, and it's just an introduction. Yeah, so this fn function is a very valid Cairo program because it's the main entry point of the Cairo program. Now what we just need to do is to run the program. Let's compile the program and see. Now great, the submitted code compiles perfectly. Click next whenever you're ready to proceed. We are ready to proceed. Now intro 2. This exercise won't compile. Can you make it compile? Take a guess. How do you think this file will compile? I'm going to give you 2 seconds. One, two. You might guess correctly, and even if you don't guess it correctly, I'm here for you. So what we mainly need to do is just to put the entry point. For every Cairo program, it has to have its entry point, which is the main function. So we have fn main with, and then we have it. Let's compile and see what we have. Great. So the code compiled correctly. Now this will be the end of this video. Make sure you stick to you follow on right with the next video. See you in the next video.